Here I have REALME C1 and let me show you how to enable here developer options on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select settings, scroll down and choose here about phone. Then from the following options, let's tap a couple of times of version, let's tap 7 times and you are now in a developer mode. So you can go back, choose here the additional settings, scroll down and here you can find and select developer options. So here you can use the following developer features. For example, you can enable OEM unlocking, let's just tap enable. You can use, for example, USB debugging, tap OK, and you can also use other developer stuff. So that's it. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key. And now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.